To delve a little bit deeper into 3-1 Farms, we're going to play a quick little game.
So this game is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge. Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which sometimes makes it a little difficult to convey your thoughts. And so that's the challenge that we transfer to you. It takes 20 seconds to speak 280 characters, and you need to explain to us 3-1 Farms in 20 seconds. But it's not that easy. You also need to use one emoji and one hashtag.
I see.
Got it?
Yeah, for sure.
So we're going to show you a timer to intimidate you a bit. And you have 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
3-1 Farms is an agricultural enterprise trying to create social impact by curating farm-to-table, global standard specialty grain flours to combat climate change. Hashtag would be world, the earth emoji, and the emoji would be the earth emoji, and the hashtag would be food systems change.
It went above. We got 27 seconds. But to be fair, she did get done with the tweet without the hashtag and emoji within the 20 seconds.
A lot of words.